In this video, I'm going to show you how to relocate lost files in Serato DJ Pro. Now, to relocate lost files, it's actually super simple. First, I'm just going to go and actually move one of these files, so you'll see how it looks when it's relocated. So for me right now, nothing happened, but if you go in rescan or try to use audio or song, it won't work. So I'm going to press Ctrl and A to select all of them, go to Files, and click on the Rescan File Info. As you can see, this audio 101 over here is actually offline, so it can't be used because Serato Studio lost its path, so it doesn't know where it is. So to actually fix this, what you have to do is simply go to Files, and then in here you have two options. You could go and click on Relocate Lost Files over here, or like drag a folder on there, or what I usually do when I do know where my lost file is, I can just go to click on Relocate from Folder, and then click on the folder where it actually is. So for me, it's on the desktop. I dragged it over there. I'm gonna click on the folder, click on Select Folder, and there we go. As you can see, it got relocated. If I now rescan, it's actually working, and if I go back over here, you can see it's now back online, and I can use this audio, okay? So that's how to relocate lost files. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.